Welcome to Juicy News. We bring you latest and hot news all time. If this is your first time here, please subscribe to the channel by clicking on the subscribe button below and bell the notification icon. Please don't forget to share the video for others also to watch. A 22-year-old student reports an alleged lecturer who lured her into a hotel room, slept with her in her menses. Without wasting much time, let's get into the story. The Dean of Students at the University of Health and Allied Science in Ho has allegedly been asked to step down while investigations into a case of rape leveled against him proceeds. Dr. Kwabena-Duodu is reported to have allegedly lured a 22-year-old student into a hotel room and forced himself on her even though she was in her menses. According to a report by the Chronicle newspaper, the lady has since been asked to undergo psychological evaluation upon recommendation by the Sexual Harassment Committee of the school. It added that this is to help the lady regain her psychological well-being in a suitable institution of her choice, with the costs of her medical procedures to be borne by the Dean of Students. On Thursday, October 28, 2021, the female student traveled to the UHAS campus at Ho to secure recommendation letters to meet the requirements to apply for a postgraduate degree. It was there she met Dr. Kwabena-Duodu, who helped her out and later took her contact details for onward communication. The report added that the senior lecturer called the 22-year-old in the evening to ask about her whereabouts, only to be told that she was preparing to return home to Tema. The lady explained her frustrations at getting a vehicle at the State Transport Company, STC, terminal to the former dean and how she planned on sleeping at a guest house until the morning. Listen to the details of the story.
Amani Ababe to Jani say, Dean of Students at the University of Health and Allied Sciences, a Tawa say UHAS, home memo, and a home potem, this I can say there, a dear Yachono Ascension, and Ampunesi on Sinfrina Conya, so a son, so a bombardier de Fedefa, by way be a wedding fear, a Dionumino, and another, we know to say, a bright chuma, well, boon so, and what the Fedefa, a boy, a raping my, or just a no, there was seven weeper. Now, your friend is a doctor of being do. Now, a Chronicle newspaper, mono modest cartaway, a buy, I must say, a cassins no, a say a buy one, a dear uncle, a psychotherapy, send a baby to me, one, and I dream, say, you be important, and I touch me on Najumo to me at Netino. Now, you try my Thursday, October 28, 2021. And I buy you just when you're ABI, when you're Cartan, and say, when you're admission, that will home to Kosuku, one and Koko, not just a Wakako, Jim Kaibia, and as information be a one, or quite not just a Coco too, a lecturer, or an opinion, a one on any dinky town. Into Chama, why be a instead of or batter my back is as a honote. Into Janaya STC station or Pecan, so can't be back. And then to your nudging so and your Baako guest house, not just a Kwaku down to know, and a already friend, no, a bisan so, I buy your courses, so see me cramming and answer no. My Emma doing some that guest house, not you, and your chairman, no two nika who call STC station or do one more. I buy one so, me when you guest house that I make call that be like I said, that be my own cohonum, Yanka some perfect fraud the amount and your pen, Uncle could do one more or said that. Ah, Menda was saying, and your year now, year new year, just say, or definitely nana, or year new bit me again. Or year now by way or two one castle, and not the share no one, and so I shall own to me beam, and not the Tony auntie being on the anti chance that be a same way there. You know what's all the show, I was sentimental, yara, just a call report, no, and your truckrat had the command school, and I school the okay, I'd say, and the investigation, we investigation, you know. Monsieur, yeah, to us, no. Now, Sabayan said, I want to insurance on or they call it at police station. And also, so police in your decotoon and no any penny equacasaya or any young chinchas me coming back, and I say, I buy way, and then the ma decoto IGP and him, copim set your chin, no, and I inquire about and I chronicle take out Ayaba. I will choose the sister, I can say, the Dino, Yachinas is so funny, you and so on.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.